fastened, seat back and tray tables in their full upright and locked position, and your carry-on items stowed. When the captain brings the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful in opening overhead bins. Items shift during flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular function of your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated, leaving carry-on items stowed. Be advised, aircraft doors will be open here in Tampa for ground servicing. Make sure you and any children you are supervising remain clear of both the front and the back service doors. This is the termination of this flight. All passengers will deplane here in Tampa. If you're connecting to another selfless flight, check TV monitors in the terminal concourse for up-to-date flight and gate information. Well, it's been our privilege and pleasure to spend a portion of our day with you today. We know you have many choices when you travel, and we thank you for your loyalty and for choosing Southwest. Because at Southwest, the love airlines, over 75,000 employees work every day with great love connecting customers to the people, places, and events in your life that are important to you. Well, we've done that for you this morning. If Tampa is home, welcome home. If you're coming to the Bay Area to visit for a few days, we hope you have a wonderful time here in the area or wherever your final destination may be. Folks, buckle up, be safe, wash your hands often, and stay healthy. Be kind to everyone. Have a great rest of your week. Come back and see us again real soon. Friends, welcome.